To make your own snail sculpture, you'll need rigid wrap plaster cloth from Activa Products, a plastic Easter egg, newspaper, masking tape, scissors, a water cup and water, paint and a paintbrush, a hot glue gun with hot glue, a pipe cleaner, and googly eyes. First, you'll need to roll a piece of newspaper into a long tube. Shorten it if necessary. Then use masking tape to wrap it all together. Once you have your newspaper tube all wrapped up, fasten half of the Easter egg to the newspaper strip with another piece of masking tape. Next, use household scissors to cut thin strips of rigid wrap plaster cloth from Activa Products. Wet each strip of rigid wrap one at a time and carefully wrap them around the base of your snail. For added strength, be sure to layer the pieces of rigid wrap and smooth them with your fingers while the pieces are still wet. For added authenticity, form a coil with the rigid wrap and wrap it around the outer portion of the snail's shell. Allow the rigid wrap to dry and then paint with any colors of paint that you choose. Once the paint has dried, cut 2 small portions of a pipe cleaner and hot glue them to the top of the snail's head to serve as its antennae. Finally, hot glue 2 googly eyes to the front of the snail's face. And that's all you have to do to make your own snail sculpture, perfect for spring or any time of the year. Make sure to visit us online at activaproducts.com to get more great project ideas and to purchase Rigid Wrap.